Fuel, flavor, protein. That's my kind of diet. Third take, let me get straight to the point. This video is about me cooking my childhood favorite curry with a bit of a protein twist by adding ricotta cheese. I hope you guys like it. It's baking season. Things have changed a little bit. It's a 20-day-old video. I've gotten a new mic, so this audio should be much better. Grown out my hair. Finally have a TV. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Back to the video. I will just pan. Oh, didn't work. Just came back from the gym. Just realized I never mentioned what ingredients I was using to cook this curry. Cabbage, ricotta cheese, potato, onions, garlic. The rest of the video is just me cooking, so grab a bowl of yogurt or a glass of tequila, whatever rocks your boat, and listen to the music and see me cook a bussin' curry. I don't know why I said that, but whatever. Toodles. Zoom in, just get some water boiling, or potatoes, just want to blanch them. I like it with the skin, it's pure skin as well. Change angles, a bit of salt. Best way to cut an onion, remember? Slices. Straight cuts. turmeric. Just gives color to the curry. And a bit of a twist by adding some ricotta cheese. Some chili. Starts sticking to the surface. I like to generally add water. basically. Turn this off. And while we play, our naan should be ready to be served. Gently. As always, we do a taste test. Oh my god. Taste test. Oh, oh. See you next time. I'm trying to do a voiceover to this intro video, I guess, because I'm gonna add this as like the end of story, struggling artist kind of vibes. But it's really like a 5-second intro clip, and I want to say, and I'm recording this. I'm gonna use this audio that I'm speaking right now. One take has never worked out for me, but we'll find out. Fuel, flavor, protein. That's my kind of diet. Too fast. That's my kind of diet. That's what I'm talking about. Fuel, flavor, protein. That's my kind of diet. Oh, okay. I like that. I'll have one more take. Fuel,